Hello everyone, so today I'm gonna do another quick edit on, this time is the Fujifilm X-T3 56mm f1.2, and this photo is shot at ISO 160 and 1/642. So let's get started. I'm gonna crop it first, so let me do an Instagram crop 4x5 and then crop this one. Next one, I'm gonna do the patching. I'm gonna patch out this kind of like distracted to me a little bit. I'm just gonna patch in here. Okay, so around this area here. Okay, so and I'm gonna smooth it a little bit slightly, so let me smooth it out a little bit slightly on here, just some slight content, so it looks smoother, but let me see, hold up, I'm gonna reduce the smoothness. Okay, so it's not really obvious. And then overall, I'm gonna make it higher, a little bit higher, the frame. Increase the contrast. Highlight save. And then the shadow. Texture a little bit. And then vibrance. I'm gonna increase a little bit more of the mid-tone. Oh, let me undo this one. Okay, so decrease the yellow in here. Okay, so the next one is the green. I'm gonna remove the green a little bit more. Make it 5%. Okay, so that's the quick look in here, and then I'm gonna do the edit. Okay, and then do select the skin tone color. So after that, so this is the close-up of the X-T3 56mm. So I'm gonna do Ctrl+Shift+E, export. So after this export, I'm gonna do the in here copy, and then paste it to here. So this is similar. Oh, I think I copied the. Let me copy this one and then paste it to here. Increase slightly a little bit because it's a happy vibes. So and then do the edit portraiture 3. So these are pretty quick edits, so I'm gonna do click OK. Okay, I'm gonna Ctrl+Shift export. Next one is similar to this one. I'm gonna do copy this one and then paste to here. Okay, let me increase the shadow a little bit. For the Instagram crop 4x5, and then make it smaller and you can see the edges kind of like a little bit annoying in here. Just okay. So these are the quick edit. Let me do a portraiture 3 right here. Okay, cool. So that's exported, and then let me do one more. This one I did it before. I'm gonna reset it and then do it again just for demonstration. So I'm gonna reduce the change the horizon in the back, so that, and then reduce the frame to 4:5 ratio, and slightly crop in here, and let me paste it. So I paste the style from the other one to here, and it's pretty much similar. I'm going to increase the contrast a little bit more so it feels rich, the color, in terms of the color, and the highlight save slightly more. I think I can save the saturation. Okay, so that's good. Let me do another quick one. So today's video is pretty quick. Just add a couple quick Fujifilm X-T3 photos, and I will have more video coming up. And because of a lot of requests on the 56 1.2 versus the 85 1.2 Canon, even though it's a different focal, the aperture, the equivalent aperture is different, but I will do some comparison in terms of sharpness later once I have a photo shoot using those two lenses. Okay, so Ctrl+Shift+E, export. So that's it. So thank you so much for watching this quick editing video. Stay tuned for more video coming up. Bye.